It's a big train up there in those trees. Tiny little creek down here below. Well, finally got some time off work. Happens to be in the middle of the day. And I don't have time to do anything else, so we stopped here, do a little fishing in this tiny little creek with my 2-weight rod, my favorite rod, and try to get something and try to enjoy the day and get a little bit of relaxation away from just slaving away my days working. So today, as usual, we're out on the bike to get us down here, and they got this White River. Oh, I can't even remember, but it's a White River 2-weight, like $40. It's a CGR, that's what it is. The White River CGR 2-weight from Bass Pro Shop, paired up with this old school diamond reel. That tie you see on there is just to hold it onto the bike. But we're gonna work in and around here and see if we can get something today, and hopefully we have a little bit of luck. We're also going to be providing a little more information today for you. It says here on this thermometer we're about 85 degrees. Let's stick it in the water down here next to us. Let it sit there for a little bit of time and see what it comes back up as. This current little creek here that we're looking at is a side channel of the Arkansas River, and this one happens to be flowing at about 25 to 30 cubic feet a second, which isn't very much, but it's enough to make this whole place flow in amongst the center of this city. So much noise around us and people. Can't believe it, that they left me this ditch all alone. You think the temperature's changed much? Still ain't gone down much. I'm gonna hang it right here for a second as I get my rod prepared to fish. Let's see what our thermometer reads now. It looks like it's saying 70 degrees. So it's went down 10 degrees in about 12 minutes of sitting in that water. Apparently the water down here is not very cool. Kind of warm. Okay, well now that I'm re-tied back up, ow, got a fly in my shoe and a fly in my hand. I got a blood midge down below and like a hippie stomper up top. Gonna trim this knot off the back of this blood midge. All right, and then we're gonna get to work in this section here, and hopefully we find something that'll want to play. The thermometer said that the water was 70 degrees, which is actually quite warm when you think about it. I just don't necessarily know if this is going to be a great idea for fishing here today. I just have limited time. Got him. Man, what a thing. Hello, buddy. Love it when I catch fish, especially fish I'm trying to catch. Hey, come on. Did I get it? No. Later, little friend. Nice little rainbow. I took the blood midge, that one did. I don't know why it's so hard to get them off the hook when that is a barbless hook. Doesn't make sense. Oh, that's a fish. I didn't expect that one, honestly. I was just blindly casting over there because I figured in the shade of that tree there should be a fish. This one was extremely happy to see me. It came up and it got that hippie stomper. Come here, little buddy. Get in the net. No, no, no. Come back here. Come here. Off the hook. And I think I got the other hook somewhere here. Got that free. Okay, our hook's out. What a beautiful trout. Nice little male specimen there. Later, friend. That was exciting. I didn't even know that was going to happen. But I kind of got that on a separate little floating leg on this dropper rig instead of tied directly. Phew! Excitement on the old creek. I'm on my knees, basically Indian style here. Got him. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful trout right there. Happened to hit that pocket just right over there and it came out from underneath those reeds. That's a good sized trout. Come on, little buddy. Oh yeah. That is a good sized one right there. Hold on, we'll get you out of here as quick as you got on, little friend. How did I manage that? I'll tell you what, this darn de-hooking device gets stuck in some strange places, I'll tell you that. I just want my midge back. Little blood midge. Size 20. Woo. That is a beautiful rainbow right there. Oh yeah. Later, friend. Thank you for playing. It's a lot of garbage. A lot of garbage. Got him. Oh. That was fun for just about 1.1 seconds. I honestly thought the fish just kind of broke me off there for a second. There's just so much junk around me and the wind. Okay. So we've moved downstream and now we get our favorite sound on my channel, river water. I love the sound of the water rushing. Bad part is that it covers up a lot of hearing from in the background, so you can't really tell if anybody's behind you. So we're just going to drift this on down through there. There's fish. Oh, There's fish. Nice little one. Feisty friend, feisty friend. A blood midge consumer. Glad to see you. How you doing? Oh yeah? Well, come on now. Making it difficult on me to get you off. That's a nice little baby rainbow right there. Maybe 6-7 incher. Come on. Later, little friend. Yeah. Blood midge consumer. Well, thank you guys for watching this little creek, canal, ditch, river fishing adventure with the 2-weight that I love to fish with so much. So thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.